Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the audio into Capcut and ensuring it's clean. Import your file or record directly and trim away silence so the transcription focuses on speech. Once done, check audio levels and reduce background noise with a quick filter. This improves accuracy. Make sure the timeline playhead sits at the start of the trimmed clip, because Capcut's speech-to-text reads the selected timeline region. Now you're ready to invoke the transcription tool and proceed to conversion. Next, tap the speech-to-text feature in Capcut's toolbar and choose the right language so phonemes map correctly. This is why language selection matters. You should enable smart punctuation and speaker detection if the options exist, because they save manual fixes later. Press transcribe and watch the generated captions appear along the timeline. Make sure markers align with spoken phrases and adjust segment boundaries if words run together. Once satisfied, convert captions into editable text boxes for styling. Finally, you proofread the transcription, correcting misheard words and tightening timing so captions hit on syllables. Once edited, style the text, font, size, position, and either burn captions into video or export an SRT for other platforms. If you run into poor accuracy, try reducing background noise, increasing input gain, or splitting long audio into smaller clips and retranscribing. These steps improve model performance. If problems persist, re-record key lines and repeat the process to get a clean result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.